In this video, I am going to show you how to remove language switcher icon from Taskbar or Windows 11 or 10. Follow these steps to do it. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing Windows plus I2 on your keyboard. Within the Settings app, find and click on the Time and Language category to open related options. Look for the Type in Settings page within the Time and Language category and click on it. Scroll down to find Advanced Keyword Settings or Keyboard and click on it to access more options. In the Advanced Settings, find the option for Use the Desktop Language bar when it's available and turn it off. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.